Hello everybody, it's Jose from the Shinkai team, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to get test tokens to use and pay for your decentralized agents in Shinkai Web. So first things first, we're going to go to our browser and type shinkai.com, and once we're here we're going to see this pink reddish button we always see before launching Shinkai Web. We're gonna click it and we're going to be on Shinkai Web. If you've logged in before, you're going to see that in the upper right side corner, we have our identity logged in. We have our wallet, we can go to settings, and this is the important part, guys. We see Base Sepolia as our wallet balance or currency. This is the currency we're going to be using when we pay for our agents, but don't worry, it's not real money, it's test tokens we're going to get from another site. So we click another tab and we go to faucet.circle.com. All of the links I'm going to show you guys are going to be in the description, whether you're watching us from the YouTube channel or you're watching us from X. And here in the network, remember how we saw Base Sepolia? We're going to click Base Sepolia so that it matches what we have in Shinkai Web. And then it's asking you to put our wallet address, and you guys are going to get it from your settings tab and see this long number. Here is shortened, but this number you're going to copy it and then you're going to paste it in here so we can send our 20 USDC tokens. You click send, and then this is the message that should appear and lets you know that the tokens are going to be sent into your account. If we go back to my account and we see the balance, we now see that I have 82,000 USDC, and these are the tokens I can use to try all of my agents. And I mean, let's try it. Okay, so the best way to know if we have actually done this successfully is to try the agent. So let me look for one agent we can try. I'm going to put the TripAdvisor agent. I'm going to click chat and I'm going to ask it, give me one special restaurant in Santiago, Chile I can go to. I click send and I just wait for the TripAdvisor scraper to run the tool. It's going to ask me to pay for the tool. I'm just waiting a few seconds so the payment pop-up appears on my screen. And there we have it, guys. The TripAdvisor agent run the tool, and it gave me this address. It gave me the name of the restaurant. It gave me what it is about. It gave me the address. It gave me the phone number, and it told me that it's quite pricey. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you are now able to get your test tokens and try all of the different agents we have on the store. Thank you so much. Bye bye.